We started with a single drill bit. I melted and reshaped it, and now I'm cutting and filing it into a blade. In this video I'll show each step, from forging to the final test. Here's the drill bit we're using. It's old but strong. I check its size and metal to see how it will work for a butterfly knife. I heat the metal until it's red hot, and hammer it to form the basic shape. This gives the blade its rough profile. Next I cut the rough shape more precisely and sand the edges. This starts to show the blade's final outline. I mark and drill holes where the brass and wooden handle pieces will attach. These holes must be accurate for good assembly. Using hand files, I refine the shape and clean up the cuts. Filing gives smooth lines and removes small burrs. I cut the brass liners for the handle. These thin brass pieces will sit between the blade and the wood for strength. I shape the wooden scales that will form the grip. They are cut to fit the brass liners and the blade pivots. Now I grind the bevel on the blade to make the edge angle. This step defines how the knife will cut. I heat the blade to a precise temperature and quench it to harden the steel. This makes the edge hold up under use. After hardening, I sand the blade by hand to remove scale and smooth the surface before final finishing. I drill the pivot hole in the blade and handle parts so the screws will line up perfectly. I make or fit the pivot screws that let the butterfly handles rotate around the blade. I shape and fit the wood and brass together, checking ergonomics so the handle feels balanced and comfortable. I polish the blade and hardware to remove scratches and prepare for buffing. This brings out a cleaner look. All parts are buffed to a shine. Buffing gives the metal and wood a finished, professional appearance. Now everything goes together. Blade, liners, handles, and screws. I adjust tightness so the knives flip smoothly. Finally, I check the action and test the blade for balance and strength. From a simple drill bit to a working butterfly knife, here's the final result.